Today, let's talk about something that's been on everyone's radar lately: data collection and the concerns surrounding ad targeting. But don't worry, because there's a game changer in town that's revolutionizing how brands can navigate this landscape: the TrafficGuard data collection filter. You might have heard about the growing concerns surrounding online ads targeting children. Platforms like YouTube Kids have faced scrutiny over ad placement, raising doubts and worries for brands. It's crucial for brands to maintain compliance. But how? The TrafficGuard data collection filter is designed to empower brands by allowing precise control over data collection and ad serving. It's all about giving brands the tools they need to ensure compliance and ethical advertising practices, especially when it comes to sensitive audiences like children. Here's the deal. With the TrafficGuard data collection filter, brands can customize and fine-tune their ad targeting. It's like having a powerful set of controls to ensure ads are shown to the right audience at the right time without compromising on privacy or regulations. Imagine having the ability to filter out sensitive data points and create tailored ad experiences while safeguarding privacy. That's the magic of the TrafficGuard data collection filter. It's not just about compliance, it's about building trust and maintaining ethical advertising practices. In a world where data privacy and responsible advertising are more critical than ever, the TrafficGuard data collection filter stands as a beacon of hope for those brands navigating these complex waters. It's a game changer that not only helps mitigate issues surrounding ad serving to children, but also ensures brands stay on the right side of compliance while delivering impactful campaigns. So if you're a brand looking to maintain compliance, reach the right audience, and uphold ethical advertising standards, the TrafficGuard data collection filter might just be your new best friend.